Atlantic Bicycle is South Florida's recumbent store. We carry a vast selection of recumbent trikes and bikes, tandems, and many others, in addition to a vast selection of accessories. Our technicians are highly qualified and friendly. Come and see for yourself. Visit us at 4980 West Atlantic Boulevard, Margate, Florida.
Morning, folks. Today is August 7th, the 55th day of the Tour of Discovery, and I just had a tire blowout, but it was from the trailer. The tire is really worn and I had not noticed. Fortunately, I have these Kevlar inner linings, and I should have put this on a long time ago. But the reality is, we cover many bases, sometimes we don't cover all. This will protect the tire. Now, the problem is it has worn off to the point where there's a hole in the tire itself. And so, of course, the inner tube with the pressure and just it had contact with the ground. Let's see, where do we find the problem here? It had contact with the ground, and as a result, it just it blew. Okay, well, can't find it right away. Yeah. Well, you got, here it is. You see? You can see it's worn off. Well, that's because it had contact with the ground. Had I done this, I would not be with a problem. So, that one blew. Hopefully that's going to hold until I'm able to go get new tires. These are standard. I should be able to get them in any bike shop. I have 70 miles to go, and they need to hold. So, all right, this is how it works. I'll put on the Kevlar, and that should protect the other one. This tire has no problems, but I don't want it to go through the process and then find out that I'm out of tubes, because then I'm stranded. It's just a couple of minutes, and I will catch you later. Morning, folks. Oh yeah, this is on. Sorry about that. Well, I have a little fix there for the tires. I just hope they hold, because my rear tire, my left one, has a hole in it, and so it has to be replaced. Now what's limiting the tire from actually touching the ground, which will blow up again, is the Kevlar strip that is between the actual inner tube and the tire wall. So hopefully that will hold until I get to Statesboro, and hopefully in Statesboro there'll be a bike shop. If there's a Walmart, it'll be better, because I know from what Josh told me, these tires are really standard. I should be able to get them without a problem, but you know, one never knows. Let's hope this is not the thing that holds me back. Without these tires, well, I can't pull the trailer, and it creates a problem. Alright guys, I'm going to try to make some progress here, and hopefully it's not going to pour today. The sky is cloudy, which is good because it reduces the temperature. As long as it doesn't rain, you know, it's okay. Alright guys, I'll catch you later. Well folks, today is day 55 of the Tour of Discovery, August 7th, and I crossed a few miles back onto Georgia. The fix for the rear tire is working so far. Let's hope it holds. I am roughly about 32 miles from Statesboro. So I'm riding now through the last of the 13 original states of the American Union. And yeah, technically speaking, when I reach Florida, I will have crossed, I will have fulfilled the critical part of a promise made to my students. Of course, I do have the bit that then continues, St. Augustine all the way down to Weston, and well, we do know that I have to rule out Key West, that the time is not there, but we know that already. I'm very happy to be in Georgia. As I said, my experience in South Carolina, because Drivers were not very cordial. Wasn't the best as far as the cycling is. A beautiful state nonetheless. And you know, I met some very nice people. But the cycling bit is the only one that it's just, well, not the place to go cycle, that's all. Other than that, let's hope the road continues. There is no shoulder on this road, but again, it's one of those roads with very little traffic. I'm just waiting for the car to show up. Every time I say little traffic, you know, you have two cars showing up. In any event, guys, I'm just praying that that little Kevlar lining holds and I don't end up having to figure something else out, because I really am out of options. I need to replace the tire. I mean, it has a big hole, and the more I pedal, the bigger it gets. Okay guys, as always, I will catch you later. Hello folks, day 55, August 7th of the Tour Discovery, and I wanted to show you the big blowout. Complete hole. I could not continue with this, even though I had the Kevlar patch. This is going to tear in a matter of, give it 50 more miles. Fortunately, replacement. I was able to get them, believe it or not, at just a, well, Walmart. These are pretty common, 16-inch tires, and again, this was a big problem. And I guess it was good that it happened today, because I was in a large enough town and coming to a large enough town where I could actually find a Walmart. Otherwise, if I was caught between small places, it becomes a problem. So I managed to already replace this. This is the replacement for the other side, and I'll be good to go. I wanted to continue today, but this was a priority. Alright guys, well, that's the update for today. Was able to make progress, and was able to resolve the problem. And for all the students watching, this is how it's done. You have a problem, it's because you're being tested, your abilities to solve it, your determination to go ahead and do so. It's all part of growth. It's all part of the learning curve, and we continue to learn until the day we're no longer here. Alright guys, I will catch you later.